World leaders condemned the deadly shooting that killed 60 people and injured more than 100 in Moscow, Russia, Friday, 22/3. The attackers wearing camouflage uniforms entered Crocus City Hall ahead of the start of a rock concert, opened fire and threw grenades or incendiary bombs. The attack was claimed to have been carried out by the ISIS group. President Vladimir Putin wished the injured victims a speedy recovery and expressed his thanks to the doctors. This was conveyed by Russian Deputy Prime Minister Tatyana Golikova on Saturday, 23/3, after meeting with Putin. Putin has not commented publicly on the attack.
Quoted from AFP, the following is a series of condemnations, condolences and expressions of solidarity from governments around the world regarding this incident. Presidential aide Mikhailo Podolyak said Ukraine, which has faced a Russian military offensive for the past 2 years, had nothing to do with the attack. The main intelligence directorate of Ukraine's defense ministry accused the terrorist attack in Moscow of a planned and deliberate provocation by the Russian special services on Putin's orders. He also alleged that his goal was to escalate and expand the war with Ukraine. Spokesman Farhan Haq said United Nations Secretary-General Antonio Guterres on Friday condemned, in the strongest terms, today's terrorist attack. Guterres expressed his deep condolences to the bereaved families and the people and government of the Russian Federation. The UN Security Council also expressed condolences and urged all countries to cooperate actively with the Russian government and other authorities. The aim is to hold accountable the perpetrators and supporters of these despicable acts of terrorism and bring them to justice. The members of the Security Council condemn in the strongest terms this heinous and cowardly terrorist attack, their statement said. The European Union said it was shocked by the attack in Moscow. The European Union condemns any attacks on civilians. Our thoughts are with all Russian citizens affected, an EU spokesperson said. The German Foreign Office expressed condolences over the shooting in Moscow. They also called the images of the horrific attack on innocent people at Crocus City Hall in Moscow horrific. According to him, the background to this incident must be investigated quickly.